Today we're making blue light glasses, and we're here with Nancy from my dad's office.
Optician.
And she's a optician in the office, and right now we're just picking out our lenses. So let's get into that. So we picked out our frames with Nancy, and now we're gonna go to the back and get our lenses. This is a pupillometer, and it helps you measure the distance between both of your eyes so you can get the measurements right. This is a pupillometer, and it helps you measure the distance between both of your eyes so you can get the measurements right. This is an autolensometer, and it tells us if we have the right prescription for the lens. Okay, go. Right now we're popping out the lens just to get in our prescription. This is a tracer, and it's to trace the lens that we need to then get the prescription in correctly. There we go. That's really interesting. Right now, we are blocking the lenses ready to get them cut. 27.5, right?
Yeah.
There. There we go. Then, is our lens the right way? Okay. This is an edger, and it edges out the lens to fit in your frame. And we're just gonna pop that in.
Lenses. Cool the lens.
And the water is also used to cool the lens. I just removed the lens out of the edger, and now I am putting my lens inside the frame. Now we have our lens inside, and now we're going to use this boy right here to then take it off. And now we're removing the price tags, and we are going to clean them. This is Essie Clean, and right now we're just wiping the Essie Clean on the lenses to clean them off. And just now we put our spray cleaner, and we're wiping them off with our little towel here. Right now we're just making sure that the lenses are correct, so we don't have to reject them and then do the entire process again.